It dropped down to the 70s today here in Houston, and you know what that means. Gumbo. There's no measurements for this, so I'm just going to show y'all how he does it. My husband makes this gumbo. So he's adding some mustard to the chicken breast with rib meat. Some Worcestershire sauce. Show them the bottle. I don't know how to say it. Like I said, there's no measurements, so y'all just pay attention. And we're going to add some Tony Chachere's next. Can you show the front of the bottle? No? Okay. Some salt. What about pepper?
No.
No pepper? And you get the chicken breast all coated. Adding more Tonys.
Can't breathe.
You can't breathe. We're sneezing like crazy. Some olive oil to the pan. And we're going to get some onions in there. One medium white onion cut up right here. And then he bought this. It has red bell peppers, green bell peppers, onion, and parsley. I'm going to go ahead and drop those onions in there. And this one too. I told y'all how he was with his turmeric. There he goes again. So he added just a little bit of that, and now he's adding some minced garlic, about a tablespoon or two. They asked me, what do you like cooking with? And I said he loves turmeric. He puts it in everything. I wasn't lying. Go ahead and get his sausage browned. With his hands. There went our chances of ever opening a restaurant. Now we're going to go ahead and add the chicken. You're going to want to get your chicken browned on each side. And then the sausage is looking pretty good. He's going to drain the grease from the sausage. We're adding water to cover the chicken. We're going to add a tablespoon of this. This has been cooking for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add some roux. And we're probably going to use half of this jar in here. About half? Yeah. And this is the roux that he found at Kroger here in Houston. Now we're going to add 1 container of 32-ounce chicken broth. Add the sausage, which I don't think is enough sausage. I usually add 2, but he only bought 1. He's going to give this a good mixing. We're going to cover this and let it cook for about another hour. We have some potatoes and eggs boiling for potato salad, and we got some rice cooking in my new rice cooker. He's cutting the meat off the bones, and then we're going to put it back into the gumbo. I'm going to make some potato salad. I have some boiled potatoes and some eggs. I'm going to add some Tonys. Next up, I'm going to get some salt in here. Some pepper. I'm going to use some of this Heinz mayo mustard mix. If you don't have this, you just use mayo and mustard. And get a whole bunch of that in there. I might add some mayo on its own. So I'm going to add in some of this Duke's mayo right here. Add in some dill relish. I put a couple of spoons in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mash this. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a little bit of rice in my bowl. Man, that looks so good. I'm gonna grab some of this. Put that in my bowl. It smells amazing. I got me a little bit of potato salad right here, rice, gumbo, and that boiled egg. Y'all come eat.